cheese, but I don't want to drop the egg.
Yeah, okay. So how will you break the egg?
Using cracking. First, let's put this. Let's do that first. I'm gonna use the fork when I'm done cracking it.
Maybe harder? A little bit harder?
Let's do it on here, please.
Sure.
Whoa! It cracked. Whoa.
What's next?
Break everything.
Okay. Good job.
Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Whoa.
May I have it?
Whoa, it's cutting. Whoa. I'm making it smaller.
What will you do?
Yeah, but don't go to the dark yellow. This one is my favorite one, dark yellow. But let's mix it all up. I'm mixing it. Let's do it on the floor line. Because it's more easier.
What's next?
Agitate.
Agitate.
Am I agitating?
Yeah, agitate. Okay. Okay, what's next?
Cheese.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the last one is 6.
Very good.
I put so much cheese.
Okay, what's next?
Cook
What are you gonna do?
in the oven.
Okay, be careful. It might spill.
There. Close it. Two, 0.
Good job. Oh, wait. But it's too long.
What?
It's just too long.
But you need to wait for 2 hours.
2 hours? You sure?
There's a long.
Yeah.
Good?
Hmm?
Is it good to make it like that?
Uh-oh. You're cooking. Yay! There you go.
Flake and cheese.
What's this?
Flake and cheese.
Egg and cheese.